Let's make a healing and delicious root chai DIY using these herbs. To your small bowl, you're going to add astragalus root, burdock root, dandelion root, pu'er, ginger root, and orange peel, and add some black peppercorn. Mix them together and you can grind them using a blender, a mortar and pestle, or a grinder. Add your blend to a sealable jar. This should make about 5 to 6 servings of your root chai tea. Our root chai DIY kit is a healing and delicious take on the traditional fall time classic chai. The spices in this recipe add a gentle heat that stimulates both digestion and circulation. This root chai will help you stay toasty and healthy during the cold months. Now, let's make the chai tea. Add 1 tablespoon of your chai blend to 2 cups of hot water and let steep for at least 20 minutes. You can also add spices like star anise and cinnamon, and it tastes so good. Now add your natural sweetener. I chose honey and vanilla. Then pour over your chai spice mix, then add your plant-based milk. I infused mine with cinnamon and it was so delicious.